to do the pre-trip. Do the pre-trip. It's a lovely morning. See my truck. Lovely morning. Tuesday morning. This is it. Tuesday morning. Everything is good to go. It's gonna have a bunch of look. It's gonna have a bunch of rocks flying off that thing. Hang on for a minute. The last time I did this, okay, never mind. I must have turned the bang. It's kind of pretty soft right here, but we didn't sink down in the we didn't sink down in the on the ground. No sinking on the ground. Well, hey, hang on. Didn't sink on the ground. Only thing we put on was the tires back there. They was muddy. Anyway, let's get back in the truck and we will catch back up. Here's what we spent. Right here it goes. I have to have. Can't you move the fuck over there, car? Lots of trucks parked right there. West Virginia, 35 west, east, 35 east, State Park. How my truck was setting. Says I don't have the quarter tank. That's a lie. Look how pretty it is. I mean, look how the fog is and it's pretty. I like when it's like that. And the sun shining through the clouds up there. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Hey, I gotta take a picture of that. Okay, I'm back. I took a picture of it. I believe that is pretty. That is pretty right there. Especially where that fog is coming down, like surrounding that. Anyway, how's that fuel? How did it feel? Brings it back up going. Because I never had like half a tank, more than a half a tank or something. Like that. Anyway, it's just we're gonna hit some fog up here in West Virginia. Almost in Charleston, we got 27 miles to be in Charleston, West Virginia. Deliver this load right here, and pick up another load. Got somewhere else. back up with you sometime. Probably at the field. Yeah, I said I was gonna wait till over there at the field stop. Look, these trees up here are changing. It's gonna be fall. It's foggy in fall. I believe it's already fall, but it's winter time. So they're changing color. Up here in Lansburg, Virginia. We're almost stopping to get fuel at. And go down there to go to Wilkesboro. And we will we'll be see now I don't know if you can see in the trees or not over there, but they're like a red color. Red is an orange color, red and orange, and it's pretty. Especially when there's mountains on two sides, like this right here, where there's mountains on two sides, and they're the same, like same colors and stuff. Except for the green. Need to be like different colors. That's pretty. So therefore, like this right here, let me show you what I'm talking about. See how that fog is on the mountains and stuff right there. Well, the sun ain't shining now, but when the sun's shining, I think it looks pretty early. Early in the morning. So, anyway, this big truck right here is passing me, but that's okay. It said left lane closed at the 43. Road work is at the 43. We're at the 59. So, yeah. 43 at 59, that's almost there for So I was just going to show you the fall colors. I don't know if you, like I said, I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks like it's going to rain, but yeah, it might not. I think it's Tuesday. I can't get over the Wilson Road. Hopefully we get another good load. Maybe another good load, but we'll see after the stop. This time it'll be. Hey, I told you all the time that I was gonna wait till I get to the dam. The daggone what's it called? Love's down there, but look, it's foggy as heck right here. Now, this is Fancy Gap. Fancy Gap, rolling down the hill. Well, I'm about to, and it's 60 mile an hour when it's foggy like this, because once upon a time there was a wreck. Pilot down through here. It's foggy now, but I gotta knock it off. It's 60 mile an hour. Sorry about that bee about them bugs. 60 mile an hour. Hopefully it'll raise up. Hopefully it will raise up. So what I'm gonna do, it's foggy, so I want y'all to look how foggy it is. This ain't the worst thing that it does get, but just enjoy the ride, and I'm not gonna cut it off just right yet, but enjoy the ride, because the truck stop is down this mountain right here at exit 1. So right there for me. Right there. I know why they're doing this because it used to be a. I mean, they had so many car pilots down here. So yeah, these 4-wheelers will stop right here in the daggone granny lane. They'll stop anywhere. So we're going to take our time. We're going to take our time. I don't know what everybody else is doing. We're taking our time. We are taking our time down this mountain. As if you can see in my previous videos, now it's 30 miles. I don't freaking know what. 30 mile an hour. So it's 30 mile an hour, which from 65, 45, now it's 30 mile an hour, and you better be doing 30 mile an hour. That will give you a ticket off the show. This is all new. We're doing 40, okay? We're going to do 40 mile an hour. We're doing 40. Hopefully I have enough there. I was trying to turn the phone up and trying to charge my phone I always have my CV on down there because you never know what's around the corner. You never know what's around the corner. See after that. Yeah, what is up, everybody? This is on 85 now, going northbound. We're over here in Durham, North Carolina. Going up here to Virginia. That's where we're going. And it's a gloomy day. It's a gloomy day. On this side it's a gloomy day. So we should make it up here. We should make it up here to deliver this load, and then we're going to go to the truck stop. Should make it up here and deliver this load, and then get to the truck stop and camp out there. Hopefully I can go back and pick up a trailer because it's just a drop and hook. So if I do that, then we got to go to Maryland, get a load, take it back to North Carolina. That's our plan. That's our plans for tomorrow, and be down there about 9:45 in the morning on Wednesday morning. No, not Wednesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Thursday morning. And hopefully we get a load. I don't know when. We need to get some miles in. That's what I'm talking about. Some miles. We gotta get some miles in. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And this, since I'm running behind, we get this 5:55, almost 6 o'clock. This kind of averages out. Average it out. Then I can hopefully has some good miles for the next week. I mean, this week for the next paycheck. So that's what our plan. My plan is up here. This right here, these loads like these 300. This is only a 300. This is only a 300 mile. It's like 320 some mile load. Nobody wants to take them, but I'll jump on a load. Which I'm a company driver, but still, nobody wants to take these loads like this because they say that it's not enough miles. But then you see, I gotta pick up another load, and that's the loaded miles. All that thing was like 300 and some miles. Right? Okay, so you say 600 miles in two, which ain't really that good. Now 700 miles in 2 days to get. I always take them to get to the next load, because maybe the next load is a good mileage base. And I'm talking about company. I'm not talking about leasing your truck or owning your truck. I'm just talking about the company standpoint. The company standpoint on it. So we go up here, drop it up, go to bed, go get a trailer tomorrow, and do the next little bit, and deliver that one Thursday. And then who knows where that's going to take us? Probably back to Pennsylvania, but I hope not. I really need some good miles. God almighty. I might just beat up. See how that guitar is? I was running 65. Then you slow it down. Now I gotta pass it. Now I'll pass. I don't know. But anyway, that's where we at. We're up here on 85 going northbound. We'll catch you probably when I get the drop off. Okay. It's thundering really bad, as you can tell in the time lapse. I'm trying to find something, some what you call it, some news channel. It's only 1 o'clock. I'll put up a map where I'm at so you can see, and where the rain is. Supposed to do this until 6 o'clock in the morning. I can't find it. I can't find or it's freezing up like that. See what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's thundering real bad and lightning. It's moving across. It's like moving across like that, but I'll put up a picture. But I was gonna tell you, I got woke up. That's what you can do when you drive truck. Yeah. You woke up and try to find what's going on. See when it's going to die down or something, and you can't because the TV don't work, or you ain't going to get a good signal or something. But anyway, it don't really matter because I'm not going to leave here until like 9 o'clock anyway in the morning, so it don't really matter. But it's pouring now, rain. I'll show you outside in real time. Let me show you how bad it's pouring down rain. Look at that, it's pouring down rain. Looks like a damn hurricane. Oh man. Looks like a hurricane. We're gonna see. Bam. I believe I can get the truck washed. But anyway, I got one good. Okay, you guys, I found a weather channel on the radio, on my CB radio. This is why I like this CB so much. But anyway, found it on the CB. Let's just take a listen to what they have to say, okay? Okay, I'm gonna show you the CB, so we'll just take a listen to what they say. Here is the CB channel.
Chance of light rain. Highs in the lower 70s.
Weather channel.
Friday night, mostly cloudy.
Let's see.
Lows in the lower 60s. Saturday through Sunday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 50s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Marine forecast. Coastal waters from Cape Charles, Lake, Virginia to North Carolina, Virginia border out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect from Thursday morning through Friday afternoon. Overnight, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet, mainly southeast swell with a dominant period of 7 seconds. Scattered showers. Wednesday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet, mainly southeast swell with a dominant period of 8 seconds. A chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Wednesday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet, building to 3 to 4 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the evening, then a chance of showers in the late evening and overnight. Thursday, northeast winds 10 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots with gusts to around 30 knots in the late morning and afternoon. Seas 3 to 4 feet, building to 5 to 6 feet. A chance of light rain. Thursday night, northeast winds 20 knots. Gusts up to 30 knots in the evening. Seas 6 to 8 feet. A chance of light rain. Friday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet, subsiding to 5 to 6 feet in the afternoon. A chance of light rain. Friday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 5 to 7 feet. A chance of light rain in the evening. Saturday, northeast winds 5 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Saturday night, southeast winds 5 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet, subsiding to 3 to 4 feet after midnight. Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Winds and seas higher and visibilities lower in and near thunderstorms. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia. Overnight, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Scattered showers after midnight, then showers likely late. Wednesday, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Showers likely. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Wednesday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet, building to 2 to 3 feet late. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the evening, then a chance of showers in the late evening and overnight. Thursday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Waves 3 feet. A chance of light rain. Thursday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Waves 3 feet. A chance of light rain. Friday, east winds 15 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. A chance of light rain. Friday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Waves around 2 feet, subsiding to 1 foot after midnight. A chance of light rain in the evening. Saturday, northeast winds 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. Saturday night, south winds 5 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Winds and waves higher and visibilities lower in and near thunderstorms. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Overnight, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots.
Okay, y'all heard that, right? Seems like they said a chance of thunderstorms. Now, I believe it is here. I'll get the curtain back. I believe the thunderstorms are here. So yeah. So we'll keep you posted in the morning when I wake up, see what it is. So I'm gonna try to get back to sleep. So anyway, we'll catch you later. Okay guys, we made it through yesterday. Last night, you know, when I said about that storm coming, yeah, we made it through. So now we're getting ready to go to the shipper and pick up a trailer. That's what we're going to do. So, and then go to Maryland. So, like, subscribe, comment down below, and we will start right here, the next vlog. Until then, see you later.